Hey guys, Laura Parrish here, hashtag TNS Mastermind and founder of hashtag TNS Marketing. And I'm just coming to you guys live here still from Miami Beach, Florida. I'm actually right now on the limo headed back to the airport, Miami International Airport, to head back to Virginia. But I really wanted to do a video here from the car as I'm headed back to the airport because I'm not distracted, because I really can't be distracted from here. And people aren't coming up to me for pictures and videos and all that good stuff. But really, most of the videos I've done this weekend have been really focused towards my team, because I want them to see what's going on and see, what they're missing and what they could be a part of as a leader in this company. So I really wanted to do another video just for the masses out there. For those of you who may not be in Empower Network, who have been thinking about joining Empower Network, really just don't get it, really don't see what it really is all about. And I talk about it all the time, about how amazing it is and how life-changing it is, and there's just so much to be said. There's no way I could fit it into a 2-minute video, but I gotta tell you, you gotta ask yourself some questions. Are you living the way you want to live today? Do you have the things that you want to have? Are you able to give your children the things that you want to give them? Are you able to, buy things you want to buy, go out to eat when you want to go out to eat, travel when you want to travel? I talk about so many times, it wasn't so long ago that I wasn't, able just to hop on an airplane and go wherever I wanted, because it's expensive, right? It costs money to travel. This year alone, where have I traveled to? Where have I flown to? Austin for an event, Chicago for an event, Miami Beach. Next month I'll be speaking in the event in Denver, and then at least 3 more places throughout the year, if not more, because of this business. Now, I was fortunate enough to be invited to the event that I'm leaving now, not because I was in the direct downline of the Daves, but because I am one of the top leaders in this company, and they invited me to come, and I'm so blessed. And you too can have that. But I didn't reach the status that I'm at by being an average person. I've met the goals that I have set for myself because I'm an extraordinary person. And the reason of that is because I took extraordinary action in my business. People sign up for this, they say, well, how much money can I make in a day? Or how long will it take me to make money? Or how much money can I make in a month? And we tell you there's no way that we can answer that for you, and that's true. Because I don't know if you're an average person or if you're an extraordinary person. I use my ice cream analogy a lot because everyone knows I like to eat ice cream, right? Who doesn't like ice cream? But when I think about ice cream, when it's really hot or I really want some ice cream, I can taste it. Before I even have it, I can taste it on my tongue. I can feel the coolness of it going down my throat. I can think about the way it feels in my stomach, right? But that's just a decision. That's a decision that I want some ice cream really badly. But unless I take the necessary step actions to get it, it won't happen, which means I need to get up, go to my freezer, open the door, take it out, take the lid off, get a scoop, get a bowl, scoop it into a bowl, put the lid back, put it back in the freezer, get a spoon, put it in the bowl, and go sit back down. So how many steps is that? What type of action did I have to take to actually fulfill the decision that I made, that I wanted some ice cream? So you have to ask yourself, do you just talk about wanting some ice cream, or are you willing to do what it takes to get the ice cream? So when we say make a decision, sign up today, and take massive action, that's what we mean by take massive action. Because anybody can make a decision. Anyone can say, I don't want to live the way I'm living. I don't want to live paycheck to paycheck anymore. I don't want to struggle with, being able to provide my family the things that I want to provide them. I don't want to be where I'm at anymore. I want to be somewhere else. But the difference between the people like me who are extraordinary and the average people who aren't getting the results is I took the actions. I took the steps necessary to go get that bowl of ice cream that I wanted. And that's what you have to do in life. Not just in business, but in life in general. We're so ingrained to think that, you have to go to school, and then when you graduate high school, if you want to be anything in life, you've got to go to college, right? And you spend $40, $60, $80, $100,000 to learn a skill or a trade to do for the next 40 years, which you most likely won't enjoy doing, just to, retire and live off of a small pension, hopefully pay off your school bills and leave something for your children, right? If you're fortunate enough. And it doesn't have to be that way. Life does not have to be that way. This business, these events, the power of these events changed my life. I learned that I can do whatever I want, that I'm worth having whatever I want, that I deserve everything that I want in life. My self-esteem, my self-worth, the belief that David Sharp and this company had in me allowed me to believe in myself so I could step up and be that extraordinary person. Is everyone going to make $110,000 in less than a year like I did? Is everyone going to finish 4th out of 120,000 affiliates in a contest and win a cash prize on stage? Is everyone going to get to speak in front of 6,000 people and affect and change lives like I did? No, they're not. But that's because not everyone's extraordinary. But you can be extraordinary if you make the decision and take the necessary action steps to have those things and do whatever it takes. Take that massive action to change your life, you know? And people say, well, you shouldn't have to pay to have a job. And I kind of laugh at that, right? I know this video is a little long, but, you know, I'm enjoying this ride here in the car, and it's nice and cool. So I'm going to break it down for you guys. I'm going to tell you the truth, because that's what people need to hear. You know, people pay to work every single day of their life, you know? We talk to you guys and say, click the button below, join now. It's only $25 for the basic and $19.95 for the affiliate, so you can resell the products, right? And people say, well, I shouldn't have to pay $44.95 a month for a business, for a job. First of all, any business out there costs money to start, right? But even if you work outside the home, working outside the home, you pay, right? Don't you have to put gas in your car, $40 to $60 a week to go to your job? Don't you have to wear a certain type of clothes, a wardrobe? Don't you have to take lunch breaks and eat on your job, right? And heaven forbid you have any children that you have to put in daycare, which costs the upward of $200 a week, which is $800 a month, just so you can go to that job. I mean, quite honestly, it costs the average person, depending on whether they have daycare or not for their children, between $400 and $1,200 a month to go to their outside the home job, right? What I do costs $44.95 a month, and I'm a 5-figure a month income earner. I make between $20,000 and $35,000 every single month, and I'm able to do whatever I want and travel wherever I want and affect people all over the world because of this business. So if you're ready to start your journey, if you are ready to change your life, if you are ready to make the decision and you are ready to be an extraordinary person, and create extraordinary results in your life, then you know what you need to do. I shouldn't even have to tell you. There's going to be a link, right? Click the link below. Whoever shared this video with you, get with them, because that would be your referring sponsor, and get their link and click the link below and sign up. Make the decision, take the actions, start your journey, change your life, and I too will see you on the stages of Empower Network and on the beaches of the world. See you guys on the inside.